Okay, so this is one of the two books. This is the back of the Lifehouse book. Why am I showing you the back of these things? Because I took them out upside down. If I would have taken them out right side up, these two big books would have been sitting on top of all this stuff, which this memorabilia box is literally a box, and there's stuff inside of it you don't want to damage. So if you're unboxing this yourself, I would make sure you take it out with the books, which are there's two of them here you can see. Take it out with the books on top. So anyhow, this is the Lifehouse book. And let me just show you the front of it. It says the Who's Next Lifehouse, and then Super Deluxe Edition. And it's effectively it's a book. There's actually a modification to, I guess it was printed, and this is a different, I guess Pete updated it or something like that. Anyhow, so you can see this includes a lot of photos, a lot of text, covers a lot of their early gigs. You can see some great photos. It's a really beautiful book. So that's the book that accompanies the set. It's the Lifehouse Super Deluxe Edition book. All right, one more.